Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, finally, the box arrived from Fashionsta. This is a box that I got involved with and started purchasing, I think, on their second box when I saw it. It got introduced to me, you know, where they were saying that this was going to replace BoxyCharm and all that. That is not what this box is about at all. This box is really very much geared towards indie type brands, and they're usually brands that I'm not that familiar with. There might be one or two in here that are ones that I'm familiar with, but it's usually introducing me to a lot of products and a lot of brands that I do not know about. This is 5 usually full-size products in here. Sometimes they put in 6. It's around $25 or $23 or $25. I'm really not sure because I got grandfathered in on this at $19.99. They gave everybody who was getting the box because they went through a lot of hiccups at the beginning that if you stuck with them, they were going to keep it at $19.99. It still looks like they are very much a smaller company because usually their boxes get to us within the same month, but usually within the last week. They do take your dollars at the beginning of the month, and then you usually receive your products at the end of the month. It does ship out of California, so a lot of times there may be delays on that as well. But with that said, the tracking I usually only get near the end of the month anyway. So if that's something that you know, you want your boxes all within a certain realm, this company is not for you. But if you're willing to wait and be a little patient with them, they will introduce you to products that I think are fantastic. So, and they're ones that I would not be familiar with. So I like being introduced to new products. So that is what this box is for me, and it is called the Box by Fashionsta. It comes with a card, and usually on the card it gives you the value, and the value on this month is $117. And like I said, I'm grandfathered in that I pay $19.99 free shipping, but if you're getting it now, I think it's like $24.99 if my memory serves me correctly. I do have links for it all down below. I also have a discount link for you guys with this company, not for the box, but if you're interested in anything else that's on their website. They have a beautiful website, and I think the discount that I have, I think it's called True Wants, and they gave that to me at the beginning when I just started my channel because they were starting and I was starting, and I reached out to them, which I usually don't do, but I wanted to see if there was a way that I can get a discount because I'm a consumer too, and it's 20% off, which to me is the type of discounts you wait for with Sephora, and they have a lot of the brands that are usually on the Sephora website as well, so check it out, it's worthwhile. All right, let's get started to see what they put in this month's box. The first item in here is from this brand called Lyfestyle, and that's out of Los Angeles, and it says this is a whole body natural deodorant spray. They're saying this is $24. It's a refreshing deodorizing spray that's formulated with aloe vera, tea tree oil, and a proprietary antioxidant blend that absorbs sweat and moisture and is vegan and cruelty free. That's another thing that this box tries to do, is every product in is usually at least cruelty free. Sometimes it's vegan as well. I've never heard of a whole body spray, so again, this is something new to me. I will definitely go on the website to see more about the information on that because I don't know, you know, what you would use this for. So I will definitely, like I said, check it out for a whole body spray. I think this might be something very refreshing, but like I said, I'm not going to talk what I don't know, and I don't know anything about this. So if you do, please share it in the comments down below. The next is from a brand called Katherine, and says it's a natural cosmetics, and they're saying it is a brow cake kit. Brows by Natalie. This is a $28 retail, and it says it's a brow kit designed for everything you need to create your favorite brow look. It has 3 brow cakes and a brow wax to set, seal, and deliver. This is also vegan and cruelty free. They have on the back here some suggestions on how to use it, and then it has a small little safety seal that I pulled up. It has a full mirror on the top here, and then these are the colors that come in it. Those are the 3 brown, and then this here is the wax, and it comes also with the dual pencil that has a spoolie on one side and the angled brush on the other. As you know, I'm not heavy into brows. I've been very blessed that my brows are thick brows, and I never went through the fads of making them overly thin. I literally only for the camera sometimes use a brow pencil to give it more definition, but this is something that I think is for a lot of girls that use it. I think this is really a great little kit and also a good gift to give as well. So excited about that. The next item in here is from a brand called Blend, and there's 2 products in here from this brand. This first one is called it says Blenmierals. It's a natural eyebrow pencil. It has concealer on one side and a highlighter on the other. They're saying this is a $20 value. It says use it to highlight the corner eye area, your cheeks, your brow bones, or dab it onto breakouts for discoloration to smooth your complexion for an even tone. So one side has the highlight and the other side has the concealer, and I think they have it even marked on here too. So one side says concealer and the other one says highlighter. I like to use these type of pencils. I usually travel with them all the time because they're always great if you have a little bit of a blemish. And then under the brow bone, where your eyebrow is, if you put a little bit of a highlighter there, you will see that it literally lifts your eyes. So this is always really good to have in your arsenal. The next item here came a little bit damaged. So what I ended up doing, and I'll show you here, is it started to leak through the side here. You can see it on the tissue here. I'm going to wipe it off again here. Every time that I took out to show the actual wand, when I put it back in, you can see it starts to spill out a lot of it. So I've lost a lot of product trying to fix this. I will try to put some tape or something on this in the interim, but I wanted to be able to swatch it to show it because I initially thought this color was going to be too dark for me. But this one is called Blenmierals, same brand as the other product. And it says it's a depuffing and tightening eye cream. They're saying this is a $20 value and says it's an invisible layer that works to visibly tighten and lift your crow's feet and wrinkles surrounding your eyes. It smooths your skin surrounding your under eye bags, making them shrink from view in minutes. And they're saying this is vegan and cruelty free. So this is something that I'm really intrigued to have the opportunity to try. I'm going to take a little bit off the amount that fell on the, that came out. What I do with, if I do get anything damaged from this company, what they end up doing is you send a picture with the label that's on your box, you email them, and then they'll tell you that they're going to put it in next month's box. That's how this company works in reference to damages. It could also be because they're a smaller company, and to start shipping out one damaged product, the shipping alone, would cost them too much, so they put it in next month's box. That's what this looks like here, and that is what the item looks like here. This is something that I'm gonna, like I said, when I'm not familiar with a brand or a product or how it's supposed to react, what I'll do is I'll play with it at nighttime, because in the morning when I'm getting ready, I need to get everything done and out the door. At nighttime's the time when you take your makeup off and you have time to play a little bit. That's when I play with products that I'm not familiar with. And this says this is a tightening and all that, so I want to see what that's like, as well as being able to see if I put something over it, if that disturbs it as well. So if you've had the opportunity to try this product, I would love you to share it in the comments down below as well. And if you already received the box, if yours also came where that was a defect in reference to this product. And then the next item that is in here is huge. This is from the brand called Soleil, and it says, let your hair shine. It says this is a leave-in conditioner, and I really enjoy leave-in conditioners. This is a $25 value, so you can see the prices of these products are really fantastic. And like I said, these are all brands that are new to me. And this says it's a replenishing Moroccan leave-in conditioner that penetrates into frizzy, dry hair to smooth each strand. It hydrates, renews, and repairs the damages from excess heat, harmful styling. And this is cruelty-free. And the last thing that they have marked on the card is that they're wishing you a flourished holiday season filled with gratitude. And you can shop on their website called Shop Fashionsta. And they have written on the front of the card, the quality of being thankful. It says the readiness to show appreciation for, and 2 return kindness, which I think is fantastic. And then this is what this looks like here. That is the opening there. Oh, this smells so beautiful. This has a fantastic scent to it. Really, really pretty. I love when hair products have a certain scent, and the scent that's in here is the one that I enjoy. And when it's a leave-in conditioner, you know that that's the one that you're going to, you know, when your hair blows in the wind, or you pass by somebody, or someone comes over to give you a hug, if you allow people to hug you, then this is what they're going to smell. You will not need to wear perfume. It's a very perfumey scent, but in a really, really sensual way. Really, really beautiful. And that's everything that we receive. So this is, like I said, a new product to me, a whole body spray. We have a full brow kit. We have the dual concealer as well as highlighter. We have this really unique product. Both of these are from the company called Blend, and a leave-in conditioner. And I got all of this for $20. And if you're new to the box, for $25. I think this is still a box that really intrigues me, and it's one that I always look forward to. But like I said, it is a smaller company, so sometimes there are little hiccups where the box will come a little bit later. It's still only, you know, the 4th or 5th of December, and to me, you know, that it's worth the wait. So a lot of times it'll show up at the end of the month. You just have to know that they do pull your dollars out at the beginning, and you do get your box usually at the end of the month. And that's everything that I have for you guys today about the box. Please share with me in the comments if this is something that you've gotten or you still get, or any of these products that you're familiar with that I'm not. Like I said, please share those in the comments down below. Take care, everybody. Stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.